Okay, so this is the bike that I rebuilt 2 weeks ago, I think. Originally built this bike for when we were at the South shop. We had a go-kart track behind the shop. It had a long straightaway into a chicane, into another chicane, then wrapped around the back. So it wasn't just an oval, it was a lot of turns. I built this for it. Originally, this is a Minarelli V1. It now has a very rare clutch that Treats used to sell, these whitened V1 clutches. They use proprietary springs, they're really interesting. Used to have a regular stock clutch with yellow springs. That is an EV circuit on there, MLM intake, VM18, Polini kit, stock large fin head, geared at 1344 with 16 by 2.25 inch tires. Hence the track gearing. If you do that back, that's about 40 miles an hour, 41 maybe, at 8K, which is about where a circuit pipe tops out at. So that helped me in the old straightaway and still be quick through the turns. Don't know if I'm going to keep this gearing. This is what it is for now. Obviously, I pulled it out of the basement and rebuilt it. This has points, tied at 1.6 millimeters. Put some new shocks on, rewired the bike. Last time when I started it up, the wiring was super ugly, but I've redone it all, wired all my switches in. I've got some LED taillights back here. And that's why the light's off behind me, because I'm going to start this bike up and see how these taillights look. So, let's see how she does. And hope it starts up on the first try, so I don't have to do this again. Smoky. Might be a bit rich. When I pulled this bike out of the basement, it was running. Got a 70 jet in that VM18. Could be a little bit much now that this motor's completely rebuilt with new bearings and seals. And gaskets, of course, duh. So, that's that.